prepared to journey into a realm of unprecedented danger, a scenario that merges the devastating power of a nuclear bomb with the cataclysmic fury of a supervolcano. In this riveting video, we delve into the chilling question: what would happen if you detonated a nuclear bomb in a supervolcano? Brace yourself for an exploration that uncovers the nightmarish domino effects of such an apocalyptic collision. The premise might sound like a plot ripped from a doomsday thriller, but the potential outcomes are grounded in the unforgiving forces of nature and the raw might of modern weaponry. As we delve into 20 intricate facts, we'll unveil the staggering chain reaction that would unfold from the initial eruption to the global aftermath. This is a scenario that tests the limits of human imagination, scientific understanding, and the boundaries of disaster. Fact 1. Merging catastrophes, the unthinkable union, combining the destructive forces of a supervolcano eruption and a nuclear detonation, sets the stage for an unimaginable scenario. While hypothetical, this exploration underscores the chilling realities of natural disasters and their potential to interact with human actions. Fact 2. Volcanic energy, the power beneath the surface. Supervolcanoes harbor energy equivalent to multiple nuclear bombs, making the interaction between the two an explosive equation. Understanding the energy stored within supervolcanoes highlights the magnitude of the potential disaster. Fact 3. Eruption amplification. Catastrophic trigger. The detonation of a nuclear bomb could potentially trigger a supervolcano eruption, leading to colossal devastation. Analyzing the mechanisms behind such an interaction helps us grasp the intricate dynamics of geological forces. Fact 4. Mega eruption dynamics. Unleashing unprecedented fury, a supervolcano eruption caused by a nuclear detonation would dwarf historical eruptions, impacting global climate. Understanding the magnitude of the eruption underscores the global repercussions and the long-term climate effects. Fact 5. Global cooling effect. Volcanic winter, massive ash, and sulfur emissions from the eruption would lead to a global cooling effect, potentially inducing a volcanic winter. Examining the potential climate impact showcases the interconnectedness of Earth's atmospheric systems. Fact 6. Atmospheric impact. Sun-blocking clouds. The eruption's ash clouds would block sunlight, leading to disrupted ecosystems, reduced agricultural productivity, and climate shifts. Unveiling the impact on agriculture and ecosystems highlights the delicate balance of our environment. Fact 7. Ash fallout. Global reach. The ash fallout from the mega eruption would span continents, leading to darkened skies, contaminated air, and health risks. Analyzing the ash fallout's reach emphasizes the interconnected nature of our planet's atmospheric circulation. Fact 8. Global volcanic activity. A chain reaction. The supervolcano's eruption could trigger secondary volcanic activity around the world, intensifying the chaos. Understanding the potential for chain reactions in volcanic systems showcases the intricate web of geological interactions. Fact 9. Tsunami potential. Supervolcano collapse. The eruption's potential to trigger a supervolcano collapse into the ocean could lead to colossal tsunamis with global reach. Examining the formation of tsunamis emphasizes the transoceanic reach of volcanic disasters. Fact 10. Nuclear fallout. Dual catastrophes. The combination of nuclear fallout and volcanic ash contamination presents a dual catastrophe, impacting ecosystems and health. Analyzing the interaction between nuclear and volcanic fallout underscores the complexity of disaster scenarios. Fact 11. Societal collapse. Global disruption. The combination of volcanic winter, nuclear fallout, and tsunamis would lead to widespread societal collapse and resource scarcity. Unveiling the potential societal collapse highlights the vulnerabilities of modern societies in the face of catastrophic events. Fact 12. Human migration. Environmental refugees. Mass migration would ensue as displaced populations seek safer regions, straining host communities and resources. Analyzing the challenges of environmental migration emphasizes the need for compassionate response and global cooperation. Fact 13. Global economy impact. Financial turmoil. The dual catastrophe would lead to economic disruption, affecting industries, trade, and financial markets worldwide. Understanding the economic repercussions highlights the interconnectedness of global economies and the need for adaptation. Fact 14. Food scarcity. Agricultural devastation. The disruption of agriculture due to volcanic winter and fallout would lead to food scarcity and hunger on a global scale. Examining the potential impact on food production emphasizes the fragility of our food supply chain. Fact 15. Long-term climate consequences. A new normal. The long-term effects of the eruption could lead to lasting climate shifts, altering weather patterns and ecosystems. Unveiling the potential long-term climate consequences emphasizes the necessity of sustainable practices and adaptation. Fact 16. Political and social instability. Geopolitical ramifications. The simultaneous occurrence of dual catastrophes would lead to political instability, conflict, and strained international relations. Analyzing the potential geopolitical impact underscores the importance of diplomacy and cooperation in crisis management. Fact 17. Humanitarian crisis. Multifaceted challenges. Humanitarian organizations would face complex challenges in providing aid, medical care, and support to affected populations. Understanding the complexity of humanitarian response underscores the need for well-coordinated global efforts. Fact 18. Technological breakdown. Disrupted communication. The eruption's electromagnetic pulsar MP would disrupt communication and technological systems, compounding chaos. Examining the technological breakdown's effects highlights vulnerabilities in our modern infrastructure and the need for resilience. Fact 19. Lessons learned. A call for preparedness. The hypothetical scenario serves as a stark reminder of the importance of disaster preparedness, global cooperation, and nuclear disarmament. Reflecting on the lessons learned underscores the urgency of preventing catastrophic events and fostering international collaboration. Fact 20. Vision for the future, safeguarding humanity. The hypothetical scenario underscores the responsibility we bear to protect our planet, its inhabitants, and future generations. Analyzing the potential impacts of such a scenario motivates us to strive for a world where disaster prevention and global harmony are paramount. As we conclude this chilling journey into the potential chaos of detonating a nuclear bomb in a supervolcano's embrace, we are left with a sense of awe at the unfathomable forces that shape our world. While this scenario is hypothetical, its exploration highlights the delicate balance between human actions and natural phenomena. Let this exploration serve as a reminder of the fragility of our existence, the power of nature, and the necessity of safeguarding our planet. May our shared understanding of these complex interactions drive us to take proactive steps, strengthening disaster preparedness, fostering global cooperation, and championing sustainable practices. Subscribe now to join the conversation on the intersections of science, catastrophe, and humanity's quest for survival.